When police fails to register the FIR or fails to investigate, or registers the FIR but fails to investigate, eventually they file a report in the court called the final report, which is a negative report filed by the police in the court. If it is a positive report, it will be called the charge sheet. If it is a negative report, it will be called the final report. The remedy against a final report is you can go to High Court and get it quashed. Because it is a criminal proceeding, you can go to High Court. If it is ex facie illegal. Or you can go and file a private complaint under section 200 CRPC. Or you can go for revision, criminal revision. So there are many remedies, but to my understanding, the best remedy, if it is a money problem or a money issue, or whatever the issue where the loss to the complainant can be ascertained, can be quantified. Some offences can be quantified, like cheating can be quantified, like deceiving frauds, they can be quantified. Like marriage offences, they cannot be quantified. So if these offences which are quantified and police do not investigate, it is better way to go and file a damages suit against the state.